everybody! Today I am going to show you how to make a tassel pillow. I'm going to show you how easy it is to sew your own pillow cover, add a tassel, and make something bold, colorful, and fun. I'm Sarah, this is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring tutorials every week. You will find all kinds of great videos here that will teach you something new and inspire you to go create. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, hit that red button down below and be sure to hit the bell right next to it. That way you will get notifications every time I share a new video. So today I'm showing you how to make a tassel pillow. And this project is part of the Look for Less challenge. This is a monthly challenge hosted by Yami, the Latina next door, and her co-host this month is Kristen K. You can find both their channels down below. You'll also find a playlist full of all of the videos participating in this month's challenge. What we're asked to do is find a piece of home decor that we love and create it for a lot less. So let's jump right into this DIY tassel pillow. I found a really fun pillow at Pottery Barn Teen. It is a really light rose pink kind of color, and it's got some bold gold writing on the top and a really fun tassel on the side. Now, my daughter fell in love with this pillow, but I actually think it would be really cute for my own decor. Either way, I thought this would be the perfect piece to recreate for today's video. So here's how you make a tassel pillow. We're starting with a pillow that's 12 by 16 inches. So we're gonna cut the fabric to fit around this pillow. Now this isn't going to be a pillow cover. This is going to be a pillow that is stitched closed. So we don't need a lot of extra allowance for fabric. I'm gonna cut the fabric 16.5 inches this way. That gives us about a 1/4 inch seam allowance on either side, and then 24.5 this way. So now that my fabric is cut, 16.5 by 24.5, I'm going to fold it over. That's about the same size as my pillow. Now I'm gonna take this up to my sewing machine and I'm gonna sew along all 3 edges, but I'm gonna leave an opening on the side here so that I can stuff the pillow into it later on. Now I'm using a fabric that's actually the same on both sides. If you are using a fabric that has a pattern or clearly has a right side and a back side, be sure that the pattern side or the right side of the fabric is on the inside and the wrong side of the fabric is facing out. All right, our pillow cover is all sewn around 3 edges, and I left this opening right here so that we can put this pillow in later. Now, we always sew inside out, so we're gonna turn this pillow right side out. All right, so the pillow is right side out. We have this opening on the edge here, and now we are going to put the words "Do Not Disturb" on the front. So in my Silhouette software, I have just typed out the words "Do Not Disturb" to match that Pottery Barn Teen pillow. And now I'm going to cut it from gold heat transfer vinyl. And so I've chosen the right settings up here, glitter heat transfer vinyl. It tells me what size blade I need. And then down here, when I hit send, I want to click send mirrored. Now what that does is it's going to flip my design around so it cuts appropriately. My glitter heat transfer vinyl is on my mat with the shiny side down, and this is the side that is going to be cut. I'm going to load it into my machine and cut it mirrored. Okay, my design is all cut, and now it's just time to weed it out. So I am going to pull back all the excess vinyl that I don't want on my pillow, leaving me with the "Do Not Disturb" words, and then I'm going to put that on the pillow. All right, so there's our "Do Not Disturb." It's all weeded and it is ready to put on the pillow. So all I'm gonna do is place it on the pillow exactly where I want it. So now once it's in place, we're going to come over it with a hot iron and iron this vinyl into place. I like to use a cloth over the top And now I'm gonna press firmly. Every iron-on vinyl has different settings. This particular, especially since it's glitter iron-on vinyl, requires a little bit longer timing, about 45 to 60 seconds, and firm pressure. Now we're ready to peel back and reveal our letters. Now, when you're peeling off the backing like this, if you peel it off and any of this starts to come up, you can just go back over it with the iron until it's really nice and secure. Like I've got a little piece coming up there, so I'm just gonna go back and iron it a little bit more. Now, just to ensure we get a really good stick with this iron-on vinyl, I am going to flip this over and just iron from the back one more time. All right, so there's our words. Now it's time to make that tassel. All right, now it's time to make the tassel for the pillow. And I am gonna show you the easiest way to make a tassel. We're gonna start with 2 skeins of embroidery floss. Now I chose black for mine because I know that's a favorite color around here. We are just going to pop off the tags. And this is going to be the thickness of the tassel right here. Now on one of these, we're just gonna pull a little bit off and kind of set that aside. Now I've got my 2 skeins together here, and I'm gonna take that extra that I pulled, and about 1 inch down, I'm just gonna start wrapping it really tight. And once I get to the end, I'm just gonna tie that in a knot. Okay, so we've got our knot tied. Now I'm gonna take a scissor and I'm going to snip the bottom open. So you've got loops on the bottom here, and I'm just gonna run my scissors through and snip them open. There we go. A super easy tassel, and I'll show you in just a minute how to attach that to the pillow. So take a moment right now, down in the comments, after watching that, do you think you could go make a tassel? Yes or no, just let me know in the comments. Do you think you could go make that tassel right now? I wanna know. Okay, so back to our pillow cover here. Now we are gonna stuff this insert inside the pillow cover through the little opening that we left on the side here. Okay, so we have got our pillow stuffed. It is almost done. It's looking adorable, right? Now it is time to add that tassel and sew it closed. So to add the tassel, we are gonna take 1 little extra piece of string here and thread it through this top loop. So we left a loop on top here. We're just gonna thread this string through and tie it in a knot so it's really secure. So I've got it tied securely at the top. Now, this opening here on the side, we're gonna take this tassel and these strings are gonna go inside here. And then we're just gonna stitch this closed, being sure to stitch over the strings of the tassel so that it hangs securely off the side of the pillow. Okay, so I've stitched it closed by just adding a top stitch all the way across the end, and this pillow is done. All right, friends, that's it. That is a DIY tassel pillow that I made for a whole lot less than I bought it for. Now, let's break that down a little bit. The tassel pillow at Pottery Barn Teen retails for about $35. Now that's just for the pillow cover, not the actual insert inside. What I used is a 12 by 16 inch pillow insert that I picked up at Walmart for about $5. I used a piece of pink fabric that I had on hand but it would only cost me a few dollars at the fabric store with a coupon. Then I used gold iron-on vinyl, and I also used some black embroidery floss. Now I was lucky enough to have all of this on hand, but if you were to make this on your own and you had to buy all of those pieces, you could create this project with a pillow insert already in it for about $15. So that's half off the retail at Pottery Barn Teen. Now, I want to hear from you. I really love this pillow, but so does my daughter. So in that card right up above, let me know, should I keep it for myself or should I let her use it in her room? I really don't know. All right, if you love Look for Less videos like this, check out the playlist for this month's Look for Less challenge. You can also find our hosts, Yami and Kristen K, down below in the description, so go take a look at them. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. You can find new videos right here every week. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And again, let me know down in those comments, do I keep this pillow for myself or do I let my daughter use it in her room? I really want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to go find me on Instagram where you can find all kinds of behind the scenes stories every day. Creative Ramblings over on Instagram. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.